Hey guys, my name's Chris Appleton and I'm here today with Colour Wow to show you how to get one of my favourite looks this season, the Dream Bob. So guys, this look is all about using the right product. For those of you that have been living under a stone, I'm going to introduce to you Colour Wow's Dream Coat. Everyone's talking about it at the minute because it has this amazing technology which is almost like an umbrella for your hair, so it's like waterproof, but it also gives the hair this amazing finish and gives it like a mirror-like shine. This product is as light as water, so making sure every strand of hair is saturated is really important to get that amazing finish to the hair. Okay, so I'm just going to brush the hair through to make sure the hair is evenly distributed, and then what we're going to do is just go for a super sharp middle part. So guys, the first step is just drying the product into the hair. You want to make sure you really blow dry the hair into a smooth texture. I'm going to use a large bristle brush. You can use whatever brush you want. I like to use a large bristle brush because you get that nice swishy finish to the ends, which I think is really important when you go for this kind of bob, because although we want it kind of super sleek, we're not going to make the ends perfectly straight. We are going to flip them under so you have that real like swishy kind of 90s edge to it. At this point, what I like to do is just complement the style by using a big, large barrel iron. And just take really big sections of hair and literally kiss the ends of the hair with the curling iron. So we're going to put it in at the bottom, wrap it under, just so you get that really kind of beautiful swish on the bottom. So you can see, guys, how shiny and glossy the hair is. The hair feels like silk, and it most certainly looks like it as well. You can see that shine beautifully, and you've got that really nice swish, which is, like I say, the key part of this look is that bouncy, swishy finish.